What's going on, guys? Markie Williams from the YouTube channel, Online Certification Courses. Here I'm going to give you 5 reasons why online certification courses is much better than sitting in the classroom. Let's go. Many thanks for checking me out right quick on this tutorial. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below as in regards to any other certification course you would like to check out. I could personally send you links to you. So let's move on to number 1. Online training allows you to access your course 24/7 on a device with automatically saved progress. As stated above, flexibility is one of the main attractions when it comes to online training. You're able to take the course from anywhere at any time. This works especially if you have a hectic schedule and you can't designate a time to drive to a physical location, finding parking, learning, and going home. Some may prefer to spend 20 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes on their lunch break, and an hour when they get home. Online courses allow individuals this freedom to choose their own schedule. If scheduling isn't an issue, a classroom setting may suffice. However, who doesn't want to save some money when given the chance? One of the major benefits of online training is that in most cases, the total cost ends up being a fraction of the price of the traditional classroom training. Not only does e-learning save you the cost of gas, it takes you to drive to the classroom location, it reduces overhead for the course provider. This yields lower prices for the students. Completing online training could not be more simple. Thanks to the development in technology and the rise in e-learning vendors, the course you need is just a Google search away. No longer do we have to fumble through the course catalog or contract advisors. A simple look online will plenty of vendors that are supplying accredited, nationally recognized training courses from everything from career development to mandatory construction certifications. Have you ever been in a class and you let your mind wander? Whether you're thinking about what you're going to eat for dinner or something funny that happened that day, either way, you're not paying attention or retaining that information. In a classroom setting, that information is gone. With online training courses, you can stop daydreaming, retrace your steps, and regain your focus. Online courses also incorporate content with videos, pictures, graphs, and wording that are proven to help students retain information. When investing money, you want to be sure that you can get the help if something goes wrong. So online training vendors have educated teams of customer service professionals. Since these courses can be accessed at any hour of the day, you need to be able to contact support to get answers to your questions or resolve issues whenever you need them. Many thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial once again. Shout out to Ben Sound for his royalty-free music beats. You can also check out his site for the beat download purchases as well. I will leave a link below in the description. You can also come and check me out on Facebook, Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page that you can like, comment, follow as well. So anything you would like to get certified in, please whisper at me. Many thanks once again. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.